Hi, folks. I'm here with Chris Merrick, the inventor and managing director of Pivotree. Chris, Pivotree has been in the press a lot recently. Perhaps you could share a little bit about the problem that Pivotree is solving.
Sure. So Pivotree is a small field development system for bringing marginal fields into production. What we've done with Pivotree is looked at the equipment traditionally required to produce a small field, and from the bottom up, gone through a process of elimination wherever we possibly can, and eliminated the equipment that's not needed so that we can bring the cost down in a meaningful way for the owners of these stranded resources. Obviously, as time has gone by, exploration activity has been very successful, and we've identified those fields which are very large and rightfully produce them first. I mean, it's the most efficient thing to do. But now there's a huge bank of unproduced resources which have been deemed sub-economic because there's been no way to properly produce them using conventional technology. So with Pivotree, we've changed the borders of what's possible. So instead of perhaps needing 20 to 40 million barrels to do a standalone development, Pivotree can bring that all the way down to about 5, where you can get a return, an investable return from a deposit of that size. So it was based on engineering activities that we've conducted over the last 6 years. And really the reason we've been in the press of late is because now we've done all the testing. It's been independently verified by DNV, and so we're coming to the end of the engineering phase now and sort of entering the marketing phase, hoping to capture some new customers. And the customers that we're chasing are the folks that have got these stranded resources where there's really no other solution that will allow them to bring their resources into profitable production. So that in a nutshell is what we're trying to do here.
Fantastic. And you folks are going to be at ONS in Norway, 26th of August, I believe. Where can people find you if they want to have a chat about Pivotree?
Yeah, very much looking forward to going to ONS. We'll be on the stand with the West Australian government delegation. That's 5160. And yeah, we're really looking forward to catching up with anybody that's there and having a look around the show.
Fantastic. Chris, always a pleasure. Thanks.
Thanks very much, Ryan.